Alrighty, how's it going, guys? Chris here, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have our very first POV video here in my 370Z Nismo. Without further ado, let's get it. Friendly little reminder before we get going, this is the Vicrest steering wheel. I have not yet programmed the RPMs to correctly match with my car's RPM, so this thing thinks I'm at red line at like 3,000 RPM. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first time ever filming a POV video using the GoPro. This happens to be a GoPro Hero 10. I'm not sure how good the audio quality is, so I'm gonna try to speak up, but you know the deal. We're gonna let the car do the talking. Yeah, see, we're at 3,500 RPM and it thinks we're at red line, so as we hold these two buttons, it'll make the pain go away. For all my local car enthusiasts that have been through the Angeles National Forest, you guys know the dangers that come with it. As you guys can tell, there are some homes around here at the bottom, so we're not going to be traveling at, lightning speed. I've had multiple friends up to this point that have actually went off the side of this canyon a little further up, but they've been fortunate enough to walk away uninjured from it, but it's near certain that if you do go off the wrong areas. I am not trying to get stuck behind that, dude. On Saturdays and Sundays, this canyon is full of beautiful supercars and hypercars. We've actually seen Jay Leno out here with the F1, the P1, having a great time with the boys. As you guys can tell, I am not in the AK-47 map right now because, let's let the car warm up a little. What? The disrespect. Alright, that dude is hauling ass in the fucking Kia Forte. I'm starting to pick up some elevation. As you guys can see here at the bottom, there are quite a few turnouts. You can, pull off and take some pictures. Alright, boys, we're gonna pull off on the next turnout, set this thing into map 2 and get some flames all the way up. For the viewers that don't know, this steering wheel is actually programmed to the ECU of the car, and using these two buttons here, we can set any map we'd like. Wait for it. All right, this dude's hauling ass too. I do not know these turns too well, so I'm going to take it a little easy on these ones. So unnecessary, but so necessary at the same time. So yeah, this car does come with a built-in fucking marching band. Oh yeah, we're rubbing, boys. Is there a little turn off we can shoot some flames for the boys? I think right here. We are up in the woods, but we should still get the fuck out of here. Do I do it? I should do it. No, I shouldn't do it, but I really want to do it. Oops, that was definitely not me. I have no idea. Listen to the echo here. Oh, this is so fun. I'm not a very big canyon guy, but with this car, oh, and that sound. I literally went back to my OEM seats, plugged both attachments back in, and it's still flashing that seatbelt light at me. Very annoying. I got a fire station up here just in case shit goes wrong, which happens a lot. Look at these views out here. Wow. For the viewers that might not know, this exhaust system consists of a Motordyne downpipe, Megan Racing Y-pipe, and a Tomei single exit catback with a Bondo tune. Now this is my daily. I love to daily drive this thing every single day, no matter what I do, whether it's a local routes or driving this thing out to Colorado 1,500 miles, I will do it. So therefore we have an eco mode on this steering wheel. It is map 4, which means it basically is not dumping extra fuel for no reason. I should turn the GoPro off, but there is a little tunnel right here. Tell me there's no cops. Window down. People in cars left and right looking at me because I got this crazy GoPro head mount on right now. Alrighty guys, making our way back home. If you guys enjoyed these style of videos with the POV GoPro mount on, we could do tons of different variations of this. And other than that guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.